Are you in your 50s like me and you're short for retirement, but you're stupid tired of working your 9 to 5 and you realize there has to be a different way? I get it. So in this video, I'm going to share with you a different way. I'm going to tell you how you can start earning in the online space to create that income that can not only bridge your retirement gap, but can totally replace it altogether, where you can be retiring a lot earlier than you ever thought possible. In this video, you're going to have the actual roadmap that I followed over the last 8 months that's radically changed our retirement, and also to teach you how it's totally doable for you as well. I'm just a Canadian grandma and I was really short for retirement. We didn't get our financial act together till late. I was trying for 5 years to figure out how to earn online. I knew there had to be a way. Honestly, on my journey, I lost money. Nobody likes losing money, but that's part of my journey. Till I discovered this blueprint system, which now has allowed me to earn over $500,000, right? Blows me away what you can do in the online space when you actually learn the right skill set. This Thursday is my 56th birthday. I can hardly even believe that I'm retired now at 55. This is the first week of my retirement, all because I followed this blueprint. If you want to learn from that blueprint right away, you're like, give it to me, let me check it out, put happy birthday in the comments. That's a win-win. I give you the blueprint, I see all the happy birthdays, yay! Let's get into the first point here. Why early retirement is totally possible, even if you don't have a big savings. Well, I'm living proof. Let's just break that down. We had some money in RSPs, but we did start later in life, so we don't have the power of compound interest working like as if we started when we were 20. Like we wish we did, but we didn't, right? That's our reality. We started in our 40s. There are options now, which I thank the Lord for, because prior to that, it was just make an income or work an extra job or those types of things. No, I don't have the energy or time. I wanted to work smarter. So I was trying to figure out the online space. So you can earn income for your retirement by leveraging online. You just need to learn the skill set. You can teach your 55-year-old brain new tricks. So let's break that down. So the reality of building a digital income, you can free yourself from the traditional 9 to 5, right? That's what I wanted. I wasn't wanting to retire just to sit around and veg. I wanted to work differently. Work that I had control over my time. Work that I had the ability to earn an income wherever I wanted. So that's what earning in the online space has allowed me. I'm still working. I'm following a 2-hour-a-day blueprint, but it gives me the flexibility to do it on my terms and my schedule and make a whole heck of a lot more money than I ever did at my 9 to 5. So it's just accelerated that retirement goals and dreams for us, like big time. You have to begin with a belief that it's even possible, because a lot of people think the online space is just like, oh, it's a scam. Well, yeah, there's scams out there. I'm sure there are. And I have seen some of them. But it is totally realistic to think you can make money online. Like, if you ever bought stuff from Amazon, like that's an online shopping experience. There are so many different ways. You just need to learn them. Monetizing off YouTube, you're watching this video, is another way, which is great. I just literally yesterday got my note, look at this letter here, that my YouTube channel is now going to be monetized. So that's another income stream for me. I think it's number 8, learning from this program, right? Crazy. About the power of digital products. Now, the nice thing about it is it's the most accessible way to earn online because it doesn't require you to hold any inventory and it can be automated, which gives you your time back. We call automation our freedom machine. We're going to unpack that in a minute, so stick with me. Digital programs, products are pre-made. You make them once and you can sell them over and over and over again. So it's like a one-time upfront and then constantly making you moolah. In order to start with this, the best way is starting with a pre-made product. So one that, like this one, I don't create the product. I'm just able to make 100% profit by reselling the product. So that's perfect for beginners, because if you don't know how to make a product, right, how are you going to get started? So we want you to get started quickly, learning how to do this. So that's the beauty of having a pre-made digital product that's in high demand that people want. So step 3, how I retired by following a 2-hour-a-day blueprint. All right. So we don't want to be stuck in the 9 to 5 grind. I like to know actionable steps to take, and that's what this blueprint gives me, step by step by step. It's good for my 55-year-old brain. I don't have to try to guess what are my income producing activities that I need to do each day so that I can, in turn, make a profit. That's what this blueprint shows me. Now, the cool thing is I can fit those 2 hours around what's important to me. Let's say I had to pick up my grandkids from school. which does happen quite often. And I absolutely love that freedom to be able to go do that and fit it in around what I'm doing. If my husband comes home and says, hey, it's a beautiful day, let's go out in the Mustang, we do that. But I can fit my income producing activities around what is important to me. So when you dedicate those 2 hours a day of income producing activities, you get results a lot faster than you might even think. Okay, step 4, automating your business for constant income. If you see right here, this on the screen is my automated sales funnel, it's called, or capture page. People put their email address in there, and the automation of the emails and the videos show people, teach people all about the blueprint that I'm following. Now that's the power of automation. So you need to have automation because that gives you your freedom machine. It's like cloning yourself. There's a bunch of little Wendy's out there working on my behalf while I'm having fun living life. The thing is, use automated email marketing. Now, the beautiful thing is there's no monthly cost with this. In the previous 4 years of trying, I was spending a lot of money on automations and email marketing, like a couple $100 a month to get that working. Well, the beautiful thing about this program, there's absolutely zero monthly costs, but you still get all those automations working for you. So it was a total win-win for me. So these emails build over time, building your consistent income coming in so you have daily pay. That's how the system works. Let's talk about step 5. You need to have simple marketing strategies that bring customers in because you need a product, you need to have a customer so that they can purchase it because that makes sales. So if you don't have customers, you don't make any sales. So this system teaches you how to bring in customers that are interested in the product that you have. And it drives traffic, the right audience, to your products. So these are really easy to learn techniques and strategies that this program taught me and teaches you. We use organic social media marketing, so there's no cost there. There's no advertising costs. You just follow the steps and figure out what social media platforms you want to use. So you then start posting regularly on those social media platforms, and the program teaches you exactly what to post, how to educate, how to connect with people so that what you're offering them is something that they want. So you are attracting people to you. You're not going out there and trying to promote or find customers by hello mom, are you interested in what I have to offer? None of that. No phone calls, no multi-levels, no bugging friends and family. Really, you build an attractive brand and people come to you for what you have to offer. The neat thing is, if this is sounding interesting to you, we do a live webinar. So put free webinar down below and I'll happily send you the link to that webinar so you can watch it, because knowledge is power. It gives you the information that you need to make the best decision for you. All right, so point 6, you need a support network to keep you moving forward. I get it. We're not used to having our own business. We're used to somebody else telling us what to do. So creating that entrepreneurial mindset is vitally important, and having a support network while you do it is key. Now, this support network is not only there to encourage you, it's there to help you. So, you know what, if you ever phoned and you get all these hit number 6, if you need this, if you need that, oh, I can't stand that. The beautiful thing about this is a community where you get live people to actually help you and answer your questions if you do get stuck. Because let's face it, this is a new skill set. We're going to get stuck, right? We're learning something new, teaching this brain new tricks. So there's people that are live and help you, which I love. Plus, there's live Zooms. If you need help with anything, they're there to support you. We not only encourage each other, but we help each other. So that was key in me getting the success that I've had, because making this type of an income, it blows my mind, but learning all this other additional things was there because the support network was helping me. So it was so key. The wonderful thing, you get to engage with like-minded people that have similar questions, that have similar goals, and we help each other achieve what we want so that we can, if you're connecting with other people who are in their 50s and they want to retire and they're trying to learn a new skill set and we're all helping each other, it's a beautiful thing. Now you need to take the steps to making a change, right? Committing to change. Sometimes that's the hardest part. Unless the pain of staying the same becomes greater than the pain of change, then we take action, right? If you're tired of that 9-to-5 grind, you need to start doing something different to have a different result, right? It's the definition of insanity. Doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result, it's not going to work. You have to do something different. That's why plugging into the online space, you're going to be amazed at what opportunities and ways of making an income are out there. I'm on my 8th income stream, with YouTube being one of them. And it's just fascinating because you don't have all your eggs in one basket. Like your eggs are not all in your RSPs or your 401ks. There are multiple different ways that you are now creating an income stream. Diversification is key. So the first step could be you want to watch the webinar. Do that. You want to learn from the blueprint. Do that. Whatever it is that you need to make yourself understand more so you can make the best decision for you, do that. That's the first step to change. Make a commitment today to take some action and just learn about it. If you have questions, put them below. I'm always happy to answer. Interested in learning more about the online system that I'm using? Happy to share. There's a link in the description. Go down there, click on it. Go to my automation and just learn, right? Make an informed decision for yourself to see if this is a good fit for you as an option for earning that retirement income. It's been radically changing our life, and I love it for you to look into it. And you could be one of the ones that send me a message, because I get these all the time, that they are so excited that I shared this with them because they're making life-changing income. Here's a little video on the screen. You can look at the opportunity of this business a little more, learn all about it. If you like this video, send me a little like and love, and I'll look forward to seeing you on the next video. God bless.